Hey there, I'm Mark Gladue, listing specialist and broker associate with the Lauer Realty Group. And today I want to talk to you about two major upgrades you can make in your house if you're thinking about selling that will get the highest return. As you can see, I am in this beautiful open concept kitchen here at one of our listings, and they've done everything right. So what they've done is gone top to bottom to make sure that everything's been updated and looks fresh. Some of the things you'll notice: brand new countertops all the way around. They've got brand new faucet with this beautiful tile backsplash that gives it a really clean look. And one of my favorite parts, and a buyer's biggest pet peeve, all of the kitchen appliances are the same color. So instead of having two that are white and one that's black, you've got all white appliances, which is awesome. You can see these freshly painted cabinets with beautiful pulls. And that's what makes a great kitchen. If you're looking to get an outstanding return when you go to sell your home, this would be one of the best places to do it. As always, we're glad you stopped by.